everybody. So I'm doing this challenge that I seen that looked so cool, so I wanted to try it. And since I don't know, have an obsession. How do you say that word? Obsession? How do you say it? Can you say it for me, please?
Obsession.
No, you gotta say it here. Hold on, guys. I don't know how to pronounce it. Obsession with soap bars and soap. So I want to put them in the microwave and see if they explode or something, okay? Or foam up into like cool things. So that's what I'm doing. So these are all my soap bars. These are the soap bars I'll be trying to do it with. So I choose these ones because I have lots of this kind. So, and I didn't want to use ones I didn't have lots of, so since I have lots of these kind, I choose to use these. Well, maybe I might not use this because I really like this one and I don't really want to ruin it, so maybe not this one, but we'll see. Okay, so first we're going to use, oh my god, move this shit. Hold on, guys. Donut. Alright. Garbage. Okay. First, we're gonna do Dove. Then we'll do the other Dove for men. Then we'll use that. We'll do that, and that. We'll use this one too. I don't know if he'll do anything, but we'll try. Alright, let me get my plates and let's get this going. This one is, we're using the Dove for sensitive skin. I don't even think it's for sensitive skin because last time I used this, I fucking broke out like a bitch. And I have really sensitive skin, like really sensitive skin. So I really fucking doubt it's for sensitive skin. So I'm going to open up my microwave. My soap is on my plate. I'm going to stick it in and I'm going to microwave it. For how long? I don't know. Maybe let's do a minute. Let's watch it. Come on, do something. It's not going to do anything. Maybe we should have done 5 minutes. It's not doing shit. Well, let's wait the whole minute then. See what it does. I hope it just doesn't melt. I want it to explode. Come on, explode! This one sucks. Doesn't explode. One of them has to. Come on, explode. There it goes, guys. Look at it. It's exploding. Ah, I love it. It's pissing out. Exploding. Look at it go. Isn't that the sickest shit ever?
You're gonna break them.
It's smoking and it really fucking stinks.
When you put it in the fucking microwave, what do you expect? It's cooking. Oh, it's just gonna smoke.
Okay, let's try another one. Should we try a smaller one? Oh my god, I'm gonna die of the smoke. That was a bad idea, guys. Rick turned the fan on. Look at it smoke. Whew, stinky soap. Oh my god, that hurts my lungs. So that was not how I expected. I thought it was going to be like all like that, not still a bar. So that was shitty. That wasn't really good. So now we're going to try a smaller one, see if it does anything better. Because that was like ridiculous. Maybe it was just too big. Alright, let's try it. Sticking it in. Now let's watch. Okay, let's just stop. It's smoking. It's starting though. It's Ooh, this one smells really fucking good, actually. Okay, let's stop because I get scared. There it goes, guys. Oh, this smells really good compared to this one. This one fucking reeks, yo. Look at it. It's so fucking gross. It's like gross. Hey, I guess I can melt it on my stove and make some like soap. Mix some soap up. How you look? Well, let's just put a hole through it, guys. That was stupid. Dumb. So this project clearly fucking sucks. The video I watched, the whole thing like exploded. Mine barely fucking exploded. No, I used a really small one and all it did was put a hole through it. Yeah, so ugh. What other soap should we try? One last one, because I ain't doing this shit again. I'm just going to melt them and put them into soap bars again. And melt them together, though. Which one? The massage bar? Maybe that one might work. Oh, maybe this one. Let's go with this one. Rick, you're missing all the fun. Alright, guys, last one. I'm going to try this one. That smells so good. Oh my god. That smells delicious, actually. Put it in. Ta-ta-ta. Restart. 1 minute. Let's do this. Is that doing anything yet? Maybe we should have a like top on it. I do have a microwave top. Man. Oh, Rick, look at this one. This one's actually doing it. Ah! Just like the first one, but this one looks so cool.
Yeah, not that much though. I think you're supposed to put it longer.
How much longer?
A couple minutes.
Yeah, but once you open it, smokes everywhere, yo. Okay, this one looks like it's just pissing out soap. Yeah, it's just pissing out fucking soap.
That's what it's supposed to do.
No, it's supposed to foam. Like,
that's what it's doing.
no, that's not what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to be like, you know that stuff when you film walls and it's all like clunky? No, I'm not doing it longer. This one didn't work. That's not what it's supposed to look like.
That's foam, man.
No, it's supposed to look like, you know that shit you put in the wall that's all thing and it goes into like all, that's what it's supposed to look like. Not burnt fucking soap.
It's like diarrhea.
Okay, so guys, that one sucked. False! This project is not true. Whoever said it is a fucking liar. I tried. And I was really excited about it. But instead I got crappy fucking soap. Unless you're supposed to use cheap soap. Maybe that's the problem. Do we have cheap soap? Like cheap ass, look guys, it's like a fucking pancake. Flip it over, woohoo! Oh, gross, it's like fucking nasty. Okay, so all done with my soap experiment. Okay, so that was a total bust, guys. Figured out the problem. I just rewatched the video. They cut their soap in like chunks. So let me get a new one and we'll try it again. So we're gonna try this one. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna cut it into chunks. If I can, what the fuck? How do I get it in chunks? Whoop, there we go, just like that. Whoop. That's not funny actually. Okay, chunks. Get it into fucking chunks. There we go. Chunks. Here, we'll try that much. No, we want to do the whole thing, actually. What's the point of saving some? Alright, chunks. I cut it into fucking chunks, okay? Alright, we are now using this kind, guys. I got my fucking chunks. Put it in the microwave. Alright, let's try this again. Let's do this. Let's watch. Alright, I don't see nothing happening. And they're in chunks. Okay, come on, do something. And they don't do nothing. And they're still not doing shit. Maybe this one you can't cook. Weird. Still not doing shit, man. And the minute's done. I think I broke my microwave. It didn't even fucking do anything. I think I broke my microwave. I don't know. Maybe it's just, I don't fucking know, guys. Maybe my microwave is fucking broken. Huh. That's fucking weird. Didn't even fucking do shit to my soap. Okay, well, that was not fun. So last try. I broke it all together and put it all in this bowl. Let's see if it works. I hope my microwave isn't broken. Come on, please work. It's not doing shit. Oh fuck, I gotta piss. Shit, hold it in, Tammy. Come on, work. If it doesn't work, my microwave's broken. Wouldn't be the first time I blew my microwave. I blew it trying to make candles, so I had to get a new one. Done. Yeah, I think my microwave's broken. It's not even melting it anymore, guys. It's not even smoking. Rick, I think we might need a new microwave. Yeah, it didn't do shit. It's not even hot. What the fuck? Yeah, Rick, I think I broke the microwave again.